So today we're going to talk about something that's common between Akanksha and I.
Shame.
So basically we did the walk of shame like Cersei did in Game of Thrones, but in real life because we both are dropouts.
And we walked right out of college.
That's true. So let's just get into the podcast.
So what we did in this thing of Flow is that we were like, what do we have in common? And I'm sure the list is very long. But there is one thing we definitely have in common,
Yeah,
which
for
is
sure.
a big deal. We're both dropouts.
Represent.
And basically like the whole idea of being a dropout in India is very different from what it is like in the US or whatever.
देखो इट्स बेसिकली अगर तुम ड्रॉप आउट हो तो तुम या तो गधे हो या तो लूजर हो या तो फेलियर हो. फेलियर इज ग्रेट.
The biggest.
मतलब टैग लग जाता है
You're
तुमको.
lazy.
या तुम गधे हो.
हाँ.
तुम्हें टैलेंट नहीं है.
So there are all these things like okay, but like the US though they're like ooh, dropouts are so fancy.
नो यूएस में
They become Mark Zuckerberg.
people take
Steal your data.
like now they take years कि I want to take a dropout year and I'm like तुम wow.
But that's also a little white person thing. Like I'm gonna go backpacking in
No,
Europe.
see, it started as a white person thing. I completely
Yeah.
agree because
Correct.
obviously they have the privilege to do that, right?
I'm talking about backpacking in Europe. Huh?
Again, they have the privilege to do that.
I'm not saying dropping out is a white person thing. But
Yeah.
I'm just saying they seem to be a lot more like enamored by it because all these billionaires were dropouts.
That's true.
Whereas
But
Indian parents did not get that memo.
No, but even the billionaires dropping out thing is like I don't buy into that logic because वो एक स्मार्ट बंदा था जिसने ड्रॉप आउट किया.
Exactly.
तुम्हें अगर चौथी में मैथ्स में 30 आ रहे तो तुम ड्रॉप आउट करके कुछ नहीं उखाड़ने वाले.
This is the mentality you have to get away from.
No,
What
it's
if
not.
that child is good in something else?
Arey,
What
then
is this Ramanujan
that
very
makes
model?
sense. That makes sense. If you're good in something and you're dropping out of
Yeah.
the shitty ass education system to follow that, then it makes sense.
So
Right?
tell me your story. Like,
Okay,
how did
so-
you even end up in engineering? And then why did you leave it?
That's really nice. Trip down memory lane of all the PTSD and all the trauma. Okay, so basically, I always wanted to do something in media, which was basically sound. I have been a music nut since forever, and sound is something that really intrigued me. And I was like, यार जो भी करना है लाइफ में म्यूजिक रिलेटेड या साउंड रिलेटेड करना है. सो देन आई गॉट ऑन लाइक आई स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग एंड आई फाउंड आउट दिस डिग्री कॉल्ड साउंड इंजीनियरिंग. राइट. द प्रॉब्लम विद साउंड इंजीनियरिंग इज बिकॉज इट हैज द वर्ड इंजीनियरिंग. इट इज वेरी टेक्निकल.
Got it.
राइट. सो साइंस तो लेना ही था 11th 12th में, तो हमने ले लिया.
Correct.
एंड देन उसके बाद द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द डिग्री दैट आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर was that you need to take 12th on a you need to take physics on a post 12th basis.
As in your graduation should have physics in it.
हाँ, ग्रेजुएशन में तुमने फिजिक्स करना चाहिए.
Wait, so sound engineering के लिए, when you were studying there was no graduation course. There were only postgraduate
Yeah.
courses. So that needed
See,
you to have like a
correct,
graduation
but-
and that would be a specialization.
Correct, man. And all the graduation courses that had just come up were all these universities that were just starting up and they were just deemed and all of that. So it is still risky, right?
Achha.
So you need to know that if you're doing a degree like this, which is thoda offbeat, you need to do it with like reputed institutions, right? So I found out that physics लगता है after 12th. I said great. उसमें है दो ऑप्शन. एक है तुम BSc करो फिजिक्स में या तो तुम इंजीनियरिंग करो.
Okay.
अभी if given my parents are given these options, then obviously they chose engineering.
But you would have preferred BSc physics? I'm just saying.
I don't know. Honestly, I didn't have enough data to take the call at that time.
Which is a really big deal, by the way. I feel like in this whole dropout conversation, the fact that you have to make this decision when you're like 16, 17 years old is a little intense.
Yeah,
Matlab,
arey-
you will rely on your parents'
Correct.
knowledge. You'll be like, they probably know best.
Of course they know best. Even at that time, I completely agree. At least I didn't know what I like.
Wanted to.
Would BSc would be better? Would engineering be better? They said, देख engineering करेगा तेरे को आगे जाके job मिलेगा. Engineering खत्म कर, sound engineering कर, and then whatever. If sound engineering doesn't work, at least you'll have the engineering and you'll have a job.
This backup degree scene.
Which makes sense, right? I'm like ठीक है, मैं 16 साल का 18 साल का मुझे नहीं पता, अगर तुम बोल रहे हो तो मैं करूँगा.
Got it.
Then I got into engineering. So I got into something called instrumentation engineering, right? Which is basically the study of all electronic devices वगैरह. On paper
Actually, kind of sounds fun.
on paper sounds very interesting. Actually was very interesting. The problem was my college.
Which
right?
we have
So,
discussed like really,
in the engineering podcast.
really murdered your joy of
There'll be
learning.
yeah, so like देखो एजुकेशन सिस्टम तो टटी है ही.
हाँ.
तुम्हें कुछ वैल्यू ऐड नहीं करेगा वो. Now like
So I basically want to know, right? Like you went from someone being like, you know what, that makes sense. Me having a backup degree in engineering and then pursuing my dreams makes sense, to a person being like, I cannot do this anymore, right? So when did that shift happen?
that actually happened way later than I would have liked. Way later. I had already spent almost 3.5 years in engineering, and then I was like, dude, मेरे को नहीं होगा ये.
Okay.
जिंदगी ऐसे नहीं चल सकती. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है. Like I'm just like, dude, I cannot tread this path anymore. So one random day, I actually broke down. I'm like, I can't do this.
You two, your mom, your dad, your brother.
All of them together.
Achha,
It was a family affair.
meeting and Ramanujan broke down. Oh
Yeah.
fuck, that is
So
intense.
it was, and honestly,
Yeah.
see, the thing is,
And the reason I know is because मेरा भी family meeting हुआ था. We'll get to that.
yeah, dude. See, so I just gave up, and I'm like, मेरे से नहीं होगा ये. And then obviously the mahal at home was very, what do you say?
Did you tense?
Tense,
They were
sad,
worried, I guess.
worried, stressed, everything. Like all negative emotions
When
together
you
was my
broke
house.
down and told your parents, I can't do this anymore. At that time, were you telling them that I'm gonna quit, or were you just being like, I can't do this anymore and looking for it?
At that time it was I want to quit. At that time it was like, dude, I can't do this anymore. I might as well call it quits right now and pursue something else.
Got it.
Which was
So you were letting them know कि it's over.
like that was my that was the end, and I was like, you give me an opportunity to do something else, and I promise you, if the onus is on me, then I will make it work. Uska तुम tension लो ही मत, but I'll make it work. But still,
Did you have anyone in your corner?
Actually, after me telling that, all of them were in my corner.
Oh, that's really sweet.
But like always, they also have the side of कि नहीं यार तू क्या कर रहा life में. So it used to switch till things got settled.
Got it.
So like they were all like, okay, we are behind you, but they were all very worried. So they were like, do you know what you're doing?
So they had that. There was a cloud of worry. Basically,
So
everywhere.
basically, that's what. Even though they were in my corner, they were still offering resistance because of that one thing.
Understood.
Because one thing that we don't realize is parents का life में एक ही गोल रहता है, वो तुम्हें गरीब नहीं देखना चाहते.
Which is very fair.
एक ही गोल रहता है उनका लाइफ में कि मेरे बच्चे को मैं इतना काबिल बनाऊंगा कि लाइफ में गरीब नहीं होगा. Because that also I figured out why. Actually, because most of our parents are from pre-independence or like pre and post-independence almost.
As in like their parents fought for say independence and they are the next generation.
Yeah, they are the next generation.
Fair.
So they have come up from a very low economic background to this level.
Correct.
And then they're like, now only up.
Correct. You can't be going down.
You can't go down. That is their only aim in life.
Yeah.
And that is why all the tussle happens. Whatever. That's another podcast only. But
so,
yeah.
I like in my case. So this is interesting because I feel like Ramanujan's journey is like this very, it's a journey everyone can relate to because so many kids are told to do engineering or medical. And they may not have their heart in it and they may realize it, down the line.
Yeah.
I know so many people who have finished MBBS and they do like completely different things. They'll be going into like pharmaceuticals still related, but they'll do like market research and stuff like that because hospital mein nahi rehna hai.
Arey, that way you'll find engineers everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Most stand-up comics, most of the famous stand-up comics are engineers.
I feel like to do anything creative in India, your graduation degree is engineering. Like for your sound engineering thing.
Yeah, correct. Oh, dude, that
like no one takes you seriously otherwise.
That reminds me, I forgot to mention this in the engineering podcast, but in my engineering college, Radio Mirchi had come for campus placements to take RJs, not even technicians, RJs from engineering college, and all of the branches were made to sit compulsorily by the principal क्योंकि उसको उसके recruitment numbers दिखाने थे.
Wow. So मतलब everyone knows this.
Yeah.
सब लोग तो नहीं जाएंगे पूरे batch में. Not everyone's going to continue in this journey of engineering. So cool. So but in my case, I had hopped off that train before only. So with my brother, it happened that they were like, no, you should do engineering, and he put up resistance post 12th कि नहीं मेरे को नहीं करने का है. ठीक है. So graduation में नहीं किया उसने. He did like BBA IT. उसमें भी IT था because to salve my parents' worry.
My God, right? BBA IT. I know so many people who've done that.
Exactly. Right? But for me, since they saw like, oh, okay, Anurag is doing fine, I guess. Right? So with me, I hopped off that train before 11th, 12th. only.
Nice.
I was like, I am definitely not going to do science. It's like, other than biology, it's not my cup of tea. So I'm just going to do like commerce and then we'll see. You know what I want to do ahead of that.
Nice, middle ground. Arts भी नहीं कर, commerce is like.
I think arts अगर मैं किया तो my dad would start crying then only. So I'm just being honest.
Yeah.
Right? So I was like, I'll do commerce, and he was more than happy because he was also a commerce student. Right. And my mom honestly did not care because she was like, I know that whatever you do, I just want you to do well. Right? So her
Same.
criteria was that ठीक है. She really convinced me to take science in 11th and 12th, saying कि entrance exam में बहुत काम आएगा.
But they said science and then what? What was their end game?
I'll tell you. So my mom was like, do science. All your options are open.
Oh my god.
That. You
Sorry,
can do
I forgot about that
anything.
dialogue.
You
I
can
forgot
do
about that
anything.
dialogue.
And
हाँ.
I was like, Mom, but I know I don't want to do this whole subsect of things.
नहीं बेटा करो तुम्हें.
And then finally she gave in. She was like, see, you can do commerce or arts. But now that I have allowed you not to take science, you will come first in class. And I was like, this seems like a very heavy price to pay. But I can say okay now and still flunk.
हाँ. ठीक है.
So that time I was like, yeah, I'll work very hard and all that. So commerce liya खुशी. And अच्छा भी किया, honestly, in the commerce subjects, because I taken commerce with maths, so I did very well in the commerce.
Oh, you didn't
subjects.
take SP award, secretarial practice.
No.
So this one thing I know कि अगर तुम्हें commerce में maths नहीं करना तो SP करके subject था, which is like the savior for a lot of people used to suck at maths.
So in Bishops where I did my 11th and 12th, the option was maths or physical education. Not built for either, but at least one I get to sit down. So and also maths, my mom was like, ये तो definitely entrance exam में तुमको help करेगा.
Which is
and
true.
Which is true. It did help. I'm not gonna lie.
It is true. Maths
So,
never leaves you in academics.
The maths part of it, it's like I did really well in commerce and then really badly in maths. But किसी तरह घसीट पसीट के maths में पास हो गया, बाकी सबके नंबर अच्छे थे.
बहुत हो गया वो.
So exactly. The funny thing is, so my dad was pretty much not like a part of my regular education. Like he didn't know how I was doing at every stage of my life because mostly he was not there. So
That is because Akanksha's father is in the army.
Oh yeah, no, he's a good person.
Please, हाँ. थोड़ा clarification जरूरी था यहाँ पे.
He's a good dad. He's defending the country.
Duty calls.
Anyway, so he knew I did decently well in 10th standard boards. Then 12th standard boards, he's directly seeing board mark sheet only. So he was like,
वही तो matter करता है.
He's like, so badly you did in maths. Everything else, bringing your whole percentage down. And I was like, Papa, I passed. I am supremely happy. And I could tell on his face, he did not understand this reaction. Because in 10th standard, मेरा 90% 2 marks से miss हो गया था. और मैं पूरा दिन रोया.
Oh.
I cried the whole day.
Got it.
And he was like, is this the same child who is celebrating this 54 marks?
But that happens, no? In 11th, you're like, बाढ़ में जाए सब. I have गाड़ी now. I'm 16 years old. I have non-gear license. अब तो मैं धूम मचा के रहेगा. And then you're like, बाढ़ में जाए सब. That's exactly the reason.
Either way, I was like, math तो नहीं होएगा. Like after the first 3 unit tests, you also give up.
Yeah, for sure. अरे मैं थर्ड ईयर इंजीनियरिंग तक मैथ्स के है. मैं तो मैथ्स का बाप कर क्या है.
So after that, my dad was like, obviously you're going to do commerce related stuff. So क्या है? Like what all you can do? Of course there is BCom. But I was also like daddy's girl now. So I was like, economics में क्या है? Like let's see what's out there. And that time the Simbi had started their school of economics. So that is not even a BA economics degree. It's a BSc economics degree.
Wow.
So the maths that I was trying to leave behind was going to come and sit on my head.
Yeah,
and I was like, BSc economics, I can totally do this. So I joined. And at the same time, I had also applied for mass communication in Simbi. So it's like the two things that one to make my parents happy.
And one that
I secretly wanted to do more. Now I'll do economics. And my dad is like, after that you can go to London School of Economics and then you can work in economist. My dad has reached,
Uncle का set है full.
so because my dad has only one goal in life, right? Like he's an academician and he's like, हाँ तो अच्छी चीजें publish करो मतलब good research article.
Papers should be there. Makes sense.
So he doesn't care about anything else. शादी वादी also he's not concerned. So my mom saw through that entirely. She was like, you will not last in economics. It's very boring. And I was like, "माँ क्या बात कर रहे हो जाएगा." And so that I don't have this temptation anymore, my dad was like, so I did very well in the entrance, which is sad because then my father had to deal with the rejection. Is that I came some 13th on the India merit list.
Oh wow.
He was like, my child is a genius, and I didn't even know it. And he was like, you've got in, na? So let's go out for a chutti. You don't need to go for your interview with SIMC.
Oh.
With the mass comm. So I didn't go for the interview so that I do not have the temptation.
Ayo, okay.
Right? So he's really not a bad guy, okay? Because even I was like, हाँ पापा मैं करेगा. So he was just happy.
Makes sense.
So I did that for about 6 months.
The BSc economics.
Yes.
6 months only.
6 months only.
Lucky man.
And after that, I came home and I was like, I'm very sorry.
जिंदगी ऐसे नहीं चल सकती.
Yeah, because the other option, like this was one economics में I'll get job was one line of thought. The other line was thought of the IAS officer.
Wow.
Which both my parents jointly were stitching this dream. Right? So I was like, I'm very sorry. And same thing, meeting, cry, nahi hoga.
Standard template.
हाँ, template. And mom तो just like, I तो knew it.
हाँ,
Like,
आंटी को
मेरे
तो
को तो
था
पता था.
ना. आंटी को था प्ले पहले से
I told you,
आइडिया
then
था.
only it's very boring. And my brother was very much on my side. He was like, it's okay. Dude, like, you didn't even waste time or anything. Like, it's okay.
है ना, that's what.
So, and 3 years also, I feel like it's fine. Like, you don't have to stress about it.
अरे ठीक है, we'll get there. We'll talk about that also. हाँ.
I was like, basically my hero is my dad, okay? And to disappoint him like that was very tough.
Yeah.
So like this person who's literally like every time he comes into our world is like showering me with affection, like suddenly like was not talking to me for months. Because in his head he was scared. Like he shows it in this different way.
Correct.
But he was scared that I don't have the like capability to stick to what I want to do. I don't know what I want and I will not succeed.
Correct.
Right? Like this is the fear. And he was like, okay, then what do you want to do? And I was like, I want to do English. Because then eventually you want to get into communication only. I want to be a journalist.
Correct.
And dad at that time was like, English you want to do because it's easy for you. You know, like you're taking the easy way out. And that's when I even like the 6 months I did, which means 6 months of an academic year I had free. I learned French in that time. Like I started learning French and all. That whole time, like dad progressed from not talking to me at all to like monosyllabic talking till I actually joined my English degree.
Oh.
And the reason was very simple. My economics degree was like hi-fi. So like college was at normal timings. 11 o'clock first class, 10 o'clock first class. But my English classes were at 7 in the goddamn morning.
Wow.
And I used to like wake up, get ready, 6 out of the house, go. Like he saw the dedication. He was like, oh, she was not, like maybe she actually is into this. And then finally, I think when he relaxed was I did an internship with Indian Express.
Okay.
And I did very well. And Papa went back to that old person who was like super proud.
Correct.
Like everything, like putting up articles and pinning them.
That's actually a very good point. Okay, so
Yeah.
what dropping out, I feel, seems very cool, but it is like till you actually figure out what you will end up doing, right? What we have to realize is in India, it not only affects you, it affects
The whole
everyone,
family.
right? Especially like your parents, your siblings, all of these are deeply stressed. When you said ki he immediately got okay when he joined your degree, I'll tell you how long it took my parents to
Get okay.
Because I had spent 3 years.
Understood.
है
Because
ना?
the timeline
So
was
6 महीने they're like okay डिग्री कर रही है 6 महीने 1 साल गया है right maximum 1 साल गया है fuck it she'll bounce back मेरा गया है यहाँ पे I left at 3.5 years सो नाउ दे आर लाइक 4 साल बर्बाद हो गए लौंडे के, पता नहीं क्या करने वाला है ये.
Correct.
ठीक है. सो इन सेम आई हैड एन एकेडमिक ब्रेक एंड आई एम लाइक आई कांट सिट एट होम. So I got up, packed my bags, I went to Bombay. I told him, dude, I told the people there that I want to work in the media industry. I don't know jack shit about it.
Correct.
Right? Just get me in touch with people who will just entertain me at this point. मतलब मेरे को नौकरी भी नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को बस शैडो करने दो, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाएगा. Right? So I went there.
I have to say though that this fire, this wala fire comes when you drop out.
Correct.
Because you have to not once prove yourself. You're proving yourself not just to your parents and like so that they are not worried or whatever. And ye nahi because they were like, "Arey, tum lazy ho, isliye change kar rahe ho." You are even trying to prove it to yourself, and that is the biggest fire.
That is the worst.
That fire, like no one can touch it. Like,
And that I have till date.
exactly.
I'm like अभी मैं तो देखा मैं सबकी बात लगाऊंगा वैसे वो तो अब भी चल रहा है.
The biggest subkind that is you.
In you only, हाँ. Because dude, when you have to understand, एक तो it takes balls to take that decision.
I agree.
That is why you cry. Because you are like, finally I have to do this. I don't know. So there's that one release. Bombay में first 2 weeks I have cried every night to sleep.
Hey.
Every night. Because I was living alone in a 2 BHK and that's the first time I was ever living alone.
Okay.
And I just couldn't take it. Because
Bombay, how you afforded 2 BHK?
my friend's dad was working in Air India and I used to stay in their quarters. And uncle was I had a luxurious, I had a bomb ass life in Bombay,
I was
dude.
feeling as if my heart was aching for Ramanujan. Then it's like in Bombay, I was living alone in 2 BHK.
Dude, because of my friend and his father, my life in Bombay was freaking amazing. Okay, 2 BHK घर में, आलीशान घर में मैं अकेला था
और रो रहा था.
Because see, if that I would have done now, I would be like, bhai,
Party.
right? But then I was like, fuck it, I
But
can't
you
do
were
this.
sad. You were alone for the first time, and it was such a drastic change. I'm sure.
Exactly, because I went from going to college every day at 8 o'clock to randomly being in Bombay and going on shoots.
Correct.
And I was like, excuse me, क्या हो गया? Just
New territory. I don't know anything.
So it took me a while to get used to it, and then I actually did well at the job, and my clients really liked me. Then you have that tasalli ki, भाई मैं loser तो नहीं.
At least मैं जिंदा बच रहा हूँ.
And that's one thing, that's very common. ऐसे situation में ना हमेशा external validation काम करता है. You will never trust yourself.
वही तो छिन गया है.
You will never trust yourself.
पेरेंट्स का वैलिडेशन अगर नहीं रहता है तो बहुत पिंच करता है.
Exactly. तो पहले थर्ड पार्टी आया मेरे को वैलिडेशन कि हाँ भाई क्लाइंट्स बोल रहे कि तू.
But excuse me, I have doubt.
हाँ.
Because I know what all I heard. I want to know that when you started telling people कि I quit engineering, like you mentioned third party validation, no? I want to know what other third parties said.
So you know what? Honestly, when I went to Bombay, and I was very skeptic about telling people that I dropped out. Because in my head that's a bad thing, right?
No, it feels like a horrible thing.
In my head कि यार मैं तो फेलियर हूँ, क्या इंजीनियरिंग में नहीं कर पाया, इतने लोग करते हैं, एक्चुअली बहुत लोग करते हैं.
हाँ, लोग मर के कर लेते हैं, like you know.
And honestly, I have been told on my face when I was applying for colleges, right? Because I had to do something, I had to do some degree for my parents. I had just given interviews to these colleges, like entrance khatam karke, then we had that lag time. That's when I went to Bombay. So I did all the entrances, and in one of those entrances, I felt, I still regret that I didn't stand up and say something to that person who was taking my interview. Because when I sat there, मेरी फटी पड़ी, I'm nervous, I'm shivering, right?
At an interview and like.
Yeah, so
kid only, no. What is your life experience?
Correct.
Age का क्या फायदा? Life experience.
So they were like, so here we can see that you dropped out of engineering. I said yes. So they were like, why did you do it? I said because I was not happy and I wanted to pursue something else, right? So they kept asking me about that, वगैरह वगैरह, why did you drop out, वगैरह वगैरह. And then in the end, she's like, is there an option for you to go back and continue your degree? I said yes, it's not been that long that I dropped out. I can probably join college and explain the situation and probably. She's like, you might as well do that then. Because I don't know what you will do otherwise in life. And I was
raging.
I was crushed. And till date,
I cannot believe, though that is like, wow. Dude,
yeah, and
people don't understand what they're saying.
Exactly. For them it's like, अरे हाँ ठीक है, कर सकता है ना, वापस जाके कर ले. मेरा I actually didn't go through with the entire process in that college. Like I still had to give one aptitude test and I was really contemplating it. And as soon as the interview finished, I got out, I called my dad saying that, Daddy, ये college में तो नहीं होने वाला.
Got it, because she has also made up her mind. No?
हाँ, and
at least according to you, maybe, I don't know, some weird Machiavellian mind games.
And honestly, after that line, I knew that I didn't want to be in this college.
Makes sense. That
Right?
makes more sense.
So I like, ठीक है, whatever she's saying. I got out, I called my parents, I'm like, ये college में तो नहीं हो रहा, मुझे पता नहीं होगा. Fuck it, I'm coming home. I left and I came home.
Makes sense. So I am angry on your behalf. Like I'm still seething from that remark.
And I was like, मैंने कुछ तो बोलना चाहिए था, dude. But anyway, whatever.
ठीक है. Like at that time you just like got out of that situation.
Yeah. So then now if from this situation I have to tell people that I don't even know that अरे यार मैं तो drop out करके आया. But as soon as I started telling people who were in the industry that actually I just dropped out, I came here just to figure the industry out, then I'll go back and do my degree course. So that's when people really started appreciating me. Like that's when they're like, dude, तू मस्त है. Like because in Bombay का media industry there is a क्या बोलते हैं different appreciation for people who have dropped out.
Understood. Because they're like, हाँ ये passion follow करने आए हैं.
They're like at least तूने तेरे में इतना दम था कि तो वो छोड़ के आया है यहाँ पे.
Correct.
Like that. So that way, the societal, what do you say, acceptance of mine. When I say societal, I mean the professional world.
That's
was
the
very
professional
nice.
world that you want to be a part of.
Correct.
Is accepting you. That's a big deal.
So that actually really fueled me more. कि I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, fine. All is not lost yet.
Correct.
Right? So that way it was really good. But then the worst part about also being a dropout is that the people who you know, especially your relatives, will shit on you every chance they get. Till you prove yourself.
Wow.
Okay, so again, like, sorry, we deviated quite a bit. I was coming to till like when my parents got okay. My parents got okay after my first year ka result came in.
Ooh.
Like till then. And what happened was my stupid college had delayed the results.
Got it.
And for some reason, my parents thought that I'm hiding the results.
That is such a parent thing to do.
तब तक झगड़ा होता था घर पे.
I have to tell you this thing. My mom and dad had gone away for 3-4 days. So I was here only. I was old enough, whatever. And during the time, I just went to like a fancy shop over here and bought some Goan sausages. कि मैं बना के खाएगा राइस के साथ. Yummy.
तुम गोवा कब गए थे?
My mom comes back. She opens. She's like, "There's another packet in there," and she takes it. She's like, "Did you go to Goa when we were not there?" And I was like, "What do you think is my life?" And then and after that, I was like, "Ek to no," and secondly, I wish I had thought of this.
Damn, dude.
And I went to my bedroom and I was like, "Why didn't I think of this?" My mom is more happening than me.
I swear, dude.
She's always more happening than me.
Also, अगर तुम anyway, if you actually had gone to Goa, I'm sure you wouldn't get Goan sausages home.
Back.
You don't leave evidence. As simple as that.
I was just like, wow, mom, like, what do you think my life?
Exactly.
Same thing. They're like, छुपा रहा है वो.
अरे मैं क्यों छुपाएगा? मैं बोला इतना तो तुमको सब बोल दिया है कि इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ दिया. अब क्या छुपा के करेगा मैं? So anyway, we fought, and results में I got like whatever, I got decent enough in the first
I'm sure he
semester.
did very well. He's a college topper, okay? He's being all like,
Only last semester I topped. That was amazing. Last semester मैं top मारा and मैं actually when I got to know that was on New Year's, like this New Year's.
Yeah.
So 31st friend calls me, hey, happy New Year, whatever. So हमने हैप्पी न्यू ईयर वगैरह वगैरह. क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में ये वो. तो दे लाइक अरे तुझे तो क्या आ रहा है अभी तो सब लाइफ सेट है. लास्ट सेमेस्टर टॉप भी मारा तुमने. एंड हम लाइक एक मिनट क्या कम अगेन प्लीज व्हाट. तो लाइक नहीं तुझे नहीं पता लास्ट सेमेस्टर तूने टॉप मारा.
This is the dropout fire.
Yeah.
I also topped my college in graduation.
Also, I had
and found out very similarly. So I was already in my postgraduate course, and someone called the college called me because they invite the toppers to get this thing on, and they were like, हाँ तो that's how I found out. The college was like, तुम आ रहे हो क्या ceremony के लिए? रखे क्या तुम्हारे लिए?
Nice.
And I was like, what?
Exactly, क्योंकि देखो हमारे मन में ना डिग्री आ गई ना, पास हो गए ना, अब भाड़ में गए. ये हो गया ना, मेरे मॉम डैड को दिखाना मेरे को बस.
Exactly.
बस I don't care if I have topped.
And this time, since I had learned my lesson from that fake Goa trip, I was in Chennai during this time, and dad was like, "What do you want?" I was like, "मैं पौंडीचेरी जा रहा है, पैसे दो."
तुम्हें बता के जाएगा.
They were so happy.
Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, dude, that lag time varies because it was 4 years, and then so they took quite a while to settle. But like, what I want.
Honestly, think about it, dude. You spent 3.5-4 years doing something, and then they were worried for you. And in 1 year, they were okay when they saw कि oh,
he's doing something.
So technically, even proportionately they also got over it pretty fast.
For sure.
Now अभी relatives का कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
नहीं, वो तो अभी भी कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहेंगे. तो
what I would actually say to anyone who's like languishing in their course, I mean languishing as in if you're not working hard, and also a different thing, but if you really know that this is not what you want to do, trying to appease everybody is not, it's not worth it.
नहीं, seriously नहीं.
Other than that, like if you're figured out what you want to do, but this is that again like very sage old people advice, you do what you want to do.
It is though, because we've been through it, so we can say it. It's not worth the suffering. It's not worth it. If this is how I judge it. If in the morning I get up and I regret
getting up,
like I basically that.
That's so dark.
No, if you get up with a mood saying, fuck yaar, college jana hai.
हाँ, true.
Then you're not.
And
that should be
college, dude. Like,
that should be a sign.
A fun part of your life. You should not be feeling like that about.
If you get up like that, and that can be others also. Oh fuck yaar, office jana hai. Then you're not having fun in life, bro.
And that doesn't mean that you will only have fun in your work. Hard work is hard work.
Hard work is hard work, but yeah. At least so अंदर से आना चाहिए कि यार okay fuck, I'm looking forward to it. I want to do something, right?
That is so true.
That also depends from person to person, but like since you're discussing dropouts, I know that some, like not all people have the privilege to drop out, like
for sure,
like we have, right? We could drop out because we had that safety net of our parents. कि हाँ तुम्हारे पास 3 साल है, हम 3 साल के तुम्हें देख सकते हैं, तो थोड़ा फिगर आउट मार लो. There are still people who I know who cannot afford to drop out because of their financial problems. Like in engineering, like people I know were struggling, but they're like, dude, it's not possible. I have to go through this, right?
Yeah, for sure. That's also
so that is also one side of things. And honestly, dropping out shouldn't be that big of a deal. It shouldn't be that big of a deal that we do a podcast on it.
Yeah, I do agree on that. I do agree on that. Because, dude, I really felt it when I left economics also, because it was not cheap, right? Like I wasted this hard-earned money for my parents, right? Like मैंने waste कर दिया. बहुत बुरा लगता है. And so in my graduation, which I did from like the state university, so Pune University, like I paid for it myself.
Oh, nice. That's
right?
cool.
So all 3 years I was like, I have done enough damage. But like you mentioned, even that is a privilege.
Exactly.
It really is a privilege.
Dropping out is a privilege.
So, I mean, I get this thing of it. Like the this trauma of it. Like if you're really struggling and you want to get out. But there is hope on the other side though.
That's true.
That is very much the case.
You will definitely meet people who have found a way to make it work.
And even after doing a course, like all the comedians you see, they've finished their engineering.
हाँ बोलो
and
engineering
then done whatever the hell they want.
अरे there is one comic in he's a Tamil stand-up comic. He has done MS in US. Masters of
उतने तो पैसे नहीं खर्च किए होंगे तुमने.
उतना करने के बाद वो आके फिर but वो कॉमिक्स्तान तमिल जीता so.
I know this was a super random podcast, but I hope you'll tune in for the next one as well. We do one every Friday.
And we have small bits of content throughout the week. So subscribe, hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss it.
Yep. And also like and share and comment about like your horrific.
Oh yeah, dude, please share your dropout stories.
I mean, they could be nice also.
Yeah, we'll make a dropouts union in the
the
comment section.
Yeah. See ya.
See you.